in the scrap pile.
I thought, oh, shall I put the extra wheels in the back? It's not it.
Dean should have glued his tyres. Don't know, I got it on camera. Tyres not looking good though, Dean.
Annoying, isn't it?
What's that angry face did say?
Spoiling my fun.
Ugh.
Yeah, dang. After every jump. Maiden voyage with the 6S motor. Easy problems.
So what running gear you got on there now, Dean?
Got Hobby Wing MAXX 6 ESC. 6S motor running on 8S. 8S truck with the centre diff. Yeah, bit of a big. 1846 gear.
Oh, something's broke again.
Already? Come on. Game over.
So Dean, what do you reckon's broke on it then?
Well, I'm hoping it's just the pinion that slipped off, and I'm hoping it hasn't taken any teeth with it, but we shall see. I've just put a new spare gear on this. It's a GDS Racing 46 tough spare. I took the, I don't know how you say it, the Villenian fans off. All of the blades snapped off.
Oh, God.
So I put this Castle fan setup, but the Castle fans are bigger anyway. So obviously running the 1600 kV motor on 8S, it's going to take a bit more of a pounding. So
It's definitely a neater build than you've done previously.
yeah, no, it's not bad, this one. Pinions come undone. Let's just hope it hasn't. Trouble is, I kept going with the.
Nolan, pass me the torch, please.
Is there a bit of a chewing? See that brand new spur gear? Look at the top of the teeth. It's because I kept. It'll probably go again, but we shall see. That's why I need bloody thread lock.
You need some?
Yeah,
I got some.
Takes 24 hours to set, doesn't it?
Heat.
Heat, yes. Good point. How shaky my hands are.
It is cold out.
Well, this is just shakes in general. Now, I know what everyone's going to say. You've got to leave this 24 hours. But if we put a bit of heat on it.
Help cure it.
Yeah. Should be enough, hopefully. Yeah, we were going to do some garage backflips. Trash my mate's garage here.
Yeah. Send it off the car ramp as well.
Yeah, I know, he should be working. I'm just distracting him. That's my thing, distracting.
Could be building my own van.
Yeah. All that.
Good.
Cheers, mate. Why is that turning? Oh, it's just the handle's turning.
Yeah.
Oh. This mesh just doesn't seem right. Tell me this gear's dead already because of it. Look at that.
There's a load of movement there,
There's
isn't
a
there?
lot of slop in it. Check these. Let's have a look. They're not bad. Yeah, I just took the top of them teeth off, which is going to be an absolute gusser considering that was 20 quid and it took ages to come.
And sweat out as well.
Yeah, this is RC though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't get on it. Like that?
Yeah. Don't use a quarter drive saw ratchet, they said.
Oh well, there we go.
Is it on?
So, doesn't heat normally break thread lock though?
No.
It should set it initially, shouldn't
Yeah.
it? Because it's off. Right. Okay. Well, before we do anything go any further, might as well just
Deep, deep, deep.
test that because there's literally no point in doing anything.
Not too crazy, Dean. We have cars in here.
Yeah.
Have an old Daimler. And a Lincoln. Way up. Watch my fucking electric cable there. Oh! Them tyres, mate.
Fail. These stupid tyres.
I blame the owner's fault for
I
not
know.
gluing them first.
Goes and does all the maintenance on his vehicle, doesn't even check it.
Should have gone to Quick Fit.
Yeah. Should have brought it to a garage.
Don't know whether there's any decent ones to you, mate.
CTS.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. These tyres are just going to retire me in a minute, aren't they? Because I'm getting fed up with it.
I got my hot air, I don't really care.
What's that nice Cavalier?
Lights.
The mesh sounds horrible, doesn't it? Yeah, it works. You got some super glue, Gary?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. No wonder it's flipping it off. So we need to heat this up a bit, warm it up a bit, and then glue it and be done with it. And the front one needs it as well. So whilst we have a cup of tea, we'll glue some tyres. And then we might do a bit more action then.